Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create splash image effect using HTML and CSS. Here I'm creating a container div and adding bg image div inside it. Now come to the CSS. First set margin 0, padding 0. Our container will be full width and height. Here I'm using display flex, justify content center, align item center to make the image center of the page. Inside bg image class, adding width 500px and height 300px. Then adding an image path to the background image. Adding background repeat as no repeat. Background size as contain. Background position as center. And position as relative. Inside after pseudo element of the bg image, adding content and position as absolute. Top 0, left 0, right 0 and bottom 0. Inside the background image, I'm adding splash image. Adding background position center, background repeat and background size as cover. Finally, mix blend mode as lighten. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.